If you want to create a realistic rust text effect in Gimp, this method is one of the cleanest ways to do it. We're going to use alpha channel masking to lock a raw rust or scratched metal texture perfectly inside your text, so the final result looks sharp, detailed, and professional. This is a great technique for posters, thumbnails, gaming graphics, and any design where you want a gritty metal look. And if you enjoy easy GIMP tutorials like this, make sure to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Let's get into it. First, open GIMP and choose the text tool by pressing T on your keyboard. Then type the word you want to turn into rust text. Make sure you use a large, bold font because thick lettering works much better for texture effects like this. If your font is too thin, the rust texture won't show as clearly and the final design can look weak. After typing your text, you can move it around and resize it so it sits nicely on the canvas. Now that the base text is ready, the next step is to bring in your texture. Go up to File, then choose Open as Layers. This is important because we want the rust image added as a separate layer instead of replacing anything in the document. Select a high-resolution photo of rust, scratched metal, corroded steel, or any raw material texture you want to use. The better the quality of the image, the better your final effect will look. Once the texture loads, you can use the Move tool or Scale tool if needed to position it so it covers the text area nicely. Next, we need to turn the text into a selection. In the Layers dock, right-click on your text layer and choose Alpha to Selection. What this does is create a selection outline that follows the exact shape of your letters. This is the key step that allows us to trap the texture inside the text. You should see the marching ants around the word showing that the selection is active. Now click on your rust texture layer so it becomes the active layer. This part matters because the mask needs to be added to the texture layer, not the text layer. With the rust layer selected, go to the bottom of the Layers panel and click Add Layer Mask. When the prompt appears, choose Selection and then click Add. GIMP will automatically use the text selection as the mask, which means the rust texture will now only appear inside the letters. At this point, you can hide or delete the original text layer, because the texture layer is now carrying the effect for you. If everything worked correctly, your word should now be filled with a realistic rust finish. You can refine the result by moving the texture slightly, scaling it, or even using a different rust photo if you want a more dramatic look. If the texture seems too flat, you can also duplicate the layer, change the blend mode, or adjust contrast to make the surface details stand out more. This technique is powerful because it gives you a clean, editable result without painting the effect by hand. You can repeat the same process with scratched steel, cracked paint, concrete, stone, or almost any surface texture you want. Once you understand the masking workflow, you can build all kinds of creative text effects in GIMP with very little effort. So that's how to design a rust text effect in GIMP using alpha channel masking. If this tutorial helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe for more GIMP tutorials, and leave a comment if you want to see more text effect designs in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.